Welcome to the world of Lufthansa, where your brand becomes a premium travel companion. Our passengers are more than just travelers. They are discerning individuals who belong to the global premium segment. They seek unique experiences, travel the world, and expect excellence in every aspect of life. Lufthansa Ambient Media connects your brand with this exclusive audience throughout the entire travel journey. Your brand message reaches our passengers before the journey even begins. Inspire them from the moment of booking through to check-in. In our lounges, our most valued guests enjoy moments of comfort and calm. Align your brand with the luxury and service they trust. Make a lasting impression in Lufthansa's business and senator lounges. Daily engagement with our high-status passengers places your brand in a class of its own. With our digital solutions, you can maximize your reach and engage specific target groups through precise targeting. On board, your message takes center stage. Whether via our popular Inflight entertainment system or the Flynet portal, your brand remains a companion in a moment of focus and relaxation. Advertising that resonates, moments that connect. Discover the power of Lufthansa Ambient Media.